Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, Aries Placements. This is your love reading ngayong November. Okay, so titingnan natin yung iyong person. Okay, so syempre, yes, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga evil eye item for protection, sa ating love bracelet and kay granter, and doon sa ating new item na hindi ko pa naipopost. New item natin is for cleansing, energy cleansing, okay, for business, sa bahay mo, sa kung saan ka naroon, okay? So, yeah, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info, okay? So, Aries, the person on your mind, okay, ngayong November, who is this? Okay, Aries placement, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, Aries, who's this person? The Seven of Pentacles. Pwedeng Earth sign. The Two of Wands, Universe. You're waiting for this person. Are you waiting for them? May paghihintay ako nakikita rito. Okay? This is like paghihintay, like in general, kung ano man ang kailangan, kung ano bang hinihintay mo dito. Okay? Some of you, ikaw itong pinaghihintay ng taong ito. Meron dito ako nakikitang pagpili na kailangan niyang gawin. Okay? Some of you, you're just waiting for this person na gumawa ng desisyon. Okay? Some of you, nandito yung parang may mga legal issues. Okay? Yeah, the Seven of Swords. Some of you, nakikita ko nasa sitwasyon kayo nitong taong to na pwedeng merong mga third party na involve, and still you're choosing pa rin na magstay dito sa connection na to kahit may mali. Okay, I don't know, merong chance na iba sa inyo is merong takot, okay, na gumawa ng sariling desisyon. So pwedeng itong taong to ang hinihintay mo na gumawa ng desisyon. I don't know if ikaw alam mo sa sarili mo na kung pwede lang ikaw na yung umalis or what, pero yeah, you're just waiting for them. Ikaw itong naghihintay lang. Yung parang alam mo naman na kaya mong or dapat ka nang makipaghiwalay sa kanya, pero mas maganda sa kanya manggaling. Parang ganon. Okay? So wag nyong ipipilit yung message po na okay sa akin yun. Wag niyo ipipilit. Wag niyo try i-fit yung mga mensahe. Kasi hindi naman ito lahat 100% na iyo. Okay? So, kunin mo lang yung iyo. Okay? So, let's see. Ano bang situation yung itong taong to? We have here earth sign and fire sign like you. Okay? So, anong situation meron? Ten of Swords in reversed. I repeat. Or it's like a never ending. Never. Okay? Cycle. What's with that? The Ace of, the Ten of Swords in reversed. The Nine of Pentacles. Okay, some of you, ikaw itong nasa sitwasyon because of the commitments. Some of you, because of the finances or kaperahan. Okay? Kaya hindi umaalis sa situation. Hang on, sandali lang po, ha? Okay, so, again, don't force a message to fit in, ha? Okay, yan ang sinasabi ko palagi. Okay? So, situation, hindi maalis-alisan dahil kailangan. Okay? Dahil kailangan. Because of the financial support maybe, or maybe sabihin natin gusto mo lang yung tao, okay, like that. Anyway, let's see, ano ba ang totoo, ano ba talaga yung emosyon nito for you, Aries? Ano talagang emosyon ito for you? Emotion niya, Aries, for you. The Ten of Cups in reversed. This person is unhappy. Anong meron? Why is that? Na Fool. Takot ito. Sa totoo lang, siya yung takot maiwan. Yes. Siya yung takot maiwan. Okay? May ginagawa lang itong paraan para hindi mo iwan. May mga dahilan lang siya para hindi mo iwan. Okay? Lalo na kung ikaw itong sabihin nating legal. Okay? This person is afraid na maiwan. Takot siya, sa totoo lang. There's this codependency. Yeah. Takot rin naman siya naiwan Yeah. Some of you, pwedeng ang dahilan na lang is, or nilarason na lang ito kung may anak kayo. Okay? And, ang pwede pang maging dahilan kung bakit ka nag-stay at mas pinipili mo mag-stay kahit pangit yung situation is pinagsamahan nyo. Okay? Mga pinagsamahan. Ganito. Sabihin niya, gagawa ko ng paraan. Sige, magdesisyon ako. Pipili na ako. Huwag mo akong iiwan pero hintayin mo ako magdesisyon. Okay? Alam mo naman na ikaw lang yung pipiliin ko. Gagawa lang ako ng dahilan or kung ano man, naghahanap lang ako ng tamang timing para iwan yung sino man yung kailangan kong iwan. Sino nakarinig nun? Sinong nakarinig nun? That's channeled. May narinig akong ganong message coming from this person. Okay? They're trying to fool you. Yeah. Trying to fool you. See? Death in reversed. Hindi niya hahayaan. Hindi niya hahayaan na makaalis ka talaga. Sa pamamagitan ng what? Nandyan yung sabihin natin kung ano man, like gagawa ng dahilan nito para matrigger yung emotion mo. Okay? So, let's see. This person is a non-committal, sa totoo lang. Pero takot sila na hindi sila ang kumitan. Okay? Okay, Aries. Let's see what is their next action. What is their next action? May gagawin na ba ito na maganda pagdating dyan sa situation ninyo? Okay, tingnan natin. Okay, we have here Scorpio, Aries. Yan lang yung big placements. The Nine of Swords in reverse. Okay. Why is that? Anong meron sa Nine of Swords in reverse? The Temperance in reverse. King of Wands in reverse. Yeah. Hindi ko muna sinabi yung mensahe. Kumuha muna ako ng isa pang card para ma-clarify ko yung nakita ko. Pero this is an energy of pambabaliktad. Okay? Pambabaliktad. Alam mo na, nakukuha ko, Aries, ha? Some of you, this person, kukuha siya ng dahilan para may ma-blame sa'yo. Okay? Andito yung energy na nakapag-cheat siya, nakagawa siya ng hindi tama sa'yo dahil sa'yo. Okay? Yun ang nakukuha ko. Yeah, I'm so sorry, pero ituturo niyang dahilan kaya nagawa niya yung mga bagay-bagay na hindi tama dahil sa'yo. That is their next action. Yeah. Lalo na kung ikaw to na nakakapag-isip-isip ng umalis dito sa connection na to. Okay? Kaya ako naman to nagawa, kaya naman ako nakagawa ng hindi maganda, kaya ako nakapag-cheat kasi ikaw rin eh, may ganito ka eh, may ganito, may ganyan. There's these arguments coming. Arguments, blaming, energy. Okay? So, anong meron doon? Kukonsensyahin ka ng taong to. Anyway, this is ay, nako. Anong advice for you, Aries? Anong advice? Don't let people manipulate you, please. Don't let people manipulate you, Aries. Okay? Ikaw, kita ka ng taong tong kaya mo. Kaya mong gumawa ng desisyon para sa'yo, para sa sarili mo. Okay, para sa kung may mga anak kayo, kaya mo. Sila ang hindi. Okay? Let's see what is your advice. Anong advice for you, Aries? Advice for Aries placements, the 5 of Pentacles. If you can leave this situation, this person, then leave. Go. Okay? Why the 5 of Pentacles? Yeah, the Page of Swords reversed. Andun naman na yung pagpaplano eh. Andun lang sa punto na para kang urong sulong sa gusto mong mangyari, sa gusto mong maging pagdating sa sitwasyon. Okay, yeah, the Hangman. Hintay ka lang kasi ng hintay, and kasi pinaghihintay ka niya. Pinag-expect ka niya. Wag na nating paabutin pa. Okay, sa sitwasyong ikaw pa yung sisisihin niya kung bakit niya ginawa itong mga to. Wag na. Kung kaya mo nang umalis, at kung alam mo yan lang ang makakatulong, do it. Okay? Handa ka naman Handa ka naman. Kaya, yun lang ang kaya niyang gawin sa situation ninyo. Yung paasahin ka, okay? Takutin ka, some of you. This person is manipulating you. Okay? So, kung ano man yung mga alam mong action, mga plano mo, para sa tingin mo is sa ikabubuti mo, sa sitwasyon, do it. Gawin mo. Yeah. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan maghintay sa taong to para gumawa ng desisyon, para pumili. Bakit? Anong meron? Ikaw pa ba yung paghihintayin? Lalo na kung ikaw yung ginawan nga ng masama, ikaw pa ba yung maghihintay? Ikaw pa ba yung magiging pasensyosa? I don't think so. This person is, ginagawa kang fool. Don't let them. Okay? So, again, tungo na tayo sa all signs, Aries through Pisces. Okay. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay. Aries placements is for the zodiac signs you're dealing with. Okay. The zodiac you're dealing with. Let's see. Aries, justice. Be fair. There's fairness. Some of you, if you're dealing with another Aries, they want fairness. They want sabihin nating balance. Okay? Some of them gusto nila makipagayos. Taurus, there's manipulation. Okay? There's lies. Some of you, there's this Taurus na pwedeng minamanifest ka or pwedeng baliktad. Gemini, they want you near them. They need you. Okay, they need you. Cancer, okay, they're taking action. They're making an action. Okay, may pagbabalik ako nakikita from this Cancerian. Leo. Okay, so hindi sila makagawa ng decision. Hindi sila makagawa or sabihin nating makausad. In general. Virgo. Okay, they want your attention. Okay. They want your attention. Libra. They're waiting for you. They're thinking. They're planning. Scorpio. There's immaturity. Okay, there's no plans. No sabihin nating decision na pwedeng mangyari. Sagittarius, they like you. Attracted pagdating sa'yo. Capricorn, there's completion. Okay? Completion. Ending of a cycle. Okay, Aqua. Ayaw na nila ng drama. Ayaw na nila ng katoksikan kung ano man. Hindi na sila gano'n na nag-obsess sa'yo. Pisces. So, they're sad. There's regrets, if ever. Some of them kasi merong kailangan gawin pero they're not doing it. It's like sinasayang lang nila. Lagi na lang silang nakatingin sa negative side of the situation. Kahit meron namang kailangang pagtuon ng pansin or may mga iba pang plano. Okay, it's like giving up. Giving up sa situation. Like that. Okay, so there. Yun ang ating reading for you, Aries placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.